Hello, let's have a look on a simple pendulum. This is the examination question. Okay, so the question reads, it takes 1.05 seconds for the bulb to go from A to C and back to midpoint B. Calculate the period. B, calculate the frequency. Okay, so we've been given the diagram here below. Okay, let's label this. So we have A, B, and C, that side. Okay, so let's have a solution. First question says calculate the period. Okay, so let's have a formula. Period. So period is represented by capital letter T equals time over number of oscillations. Okay, good. So it can be written as T, capital letter T equals small letter t over n. Good. So we just replace the values. So this small letter t represents time taken, n number of oscillations, capital letter T is period. Okay, so what's the time given T? We have been told is 1.05 seconds. So we put it where there is T here. Okay, now where there is number of oscillations. Okay, so number of oscillations, we do it like this. So this is a simple pendulum. So for it to make a complete oscillation, it has to go from point A to point C, passing through B, and then from C going back till it reaches point A. Okay, so when it goes from A to B is 0.25 or quarter, is a quarter. Then from A to C, that's a half. Quarter plus quarter, that's half. C to B, 3/4. A to C, then back to A, that's a 1. Okay, so in this case, it has moved from A to C and then back to point B, so which is 3/4. So 3/4 can be written as 3/4. So just divide 4 into 3, that's a 0, put a point. Okay, and then we say remainder 3, how many times? 7. Okay, 7 is remainder remainder 2. Okay, then you put a 0. 4 into 20, that's a 5. Okay, 0.75, that's 3/4. Okay, then you just divide time over number of oscillations. We have our answers in 1.4 seconds. So period, it is recorded in seconds. Okay, see, that's our answer here. And then our second question says calculate the frequency. So frequency, we just the continuation of the same question. You see frequency is equal to 1 over period. 1 over period. So frequency has two formulas. We may say frequency equals 1 over period, or we may say frequency equals number of oscillations over time. The same formula, this same formula, you can just swap n and t. So when you swap them, that means you're calculating frequency. So let's use 1 over t. Okay, so we have 1 over t. So this t is frequency, is period, which we have just found here. Okay, so we say 1 over 1.4. okay, then we just divide 1 divided by 1.4. Unfortunately, our answer is 0.714. So use a calculator when doing the calculations here.